Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Very excited because today I am testing a bunch of KF94s, which is an amazing format that I love. And look at this, look at the packaging. Like kind of weird, right? Comes in this like big old bag instead of a box. But what you're gonna find out really quickly is most of the KF94s are individually packaged in this super hot, like wow, not like ow, packaging. It's just great design. Let's get it in the clamper and then we can talk more about KF94s if you don't know about them. So unfortunately, I haven't been able to read the KF94 format standard because the standard is, I've only been able to find it in Korean. So if you can find the standard in English, you'd be like my BFF. That's best friend forever. Let it rip. This is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency machine. So I love the packaging. You know that I love the packaging. Bought this on Amazon. I mean, shoot a monkey. Less than $1 each. How can you go wrong for that? Delivered. I think what happened was KF94 started to blow up in the United States, and then they got on Amazon. And what's great is that you're going to see that all of these, they have Korean writing on them because it's a Korean standard. In fact, I did hear that part of the the KF94 standard is that it has to be made in Korea. That's how the Korean FDA can actually hold everyone to these very, very high standards because they can actually walk into the factory and see if they're good or not. So some people might go like, oh, this is weird that it's in Korean. I don't understand Korean. It says EasyWell Yellow Dust Protection Mask, which we kind of put together. Probably means pollen, right? It's just probably some translation error there. But it's a really, really great format that I found. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to test this. This one says FDA on it. And I think what that means is that it's been registered as a surgical mask at the FDA. Let me try this on. Pretty good fit. This smells like the lobby of a Extended Sweets America, which is like not a bad smell, but it's not a good smell. It's just a smell. And then look at that, that's pretty good. I could tell it's probably gonna break if I do that, but that's pretty good overall. All right, but does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? And I gotta admit, guys, I cheated. I snuck a glance, and I'm sorry that I did because we can't experience this together because for the first time, we are seeing a KF94 fail standards. Oh, EasyWell. Oh, no. South Korea. Come on, man. What happened? All right, well, caveat. I'm just testing one mask here. Typically, you're going to test a bunch of them. There are a lot of different things that can happen, and it is very close to 94%. It's not like it's coming in at like 70%, which we've gotten with a lot of KN95s or less. I think we had one at like 58 today. That said, I've tested a lot of KF94s. I'll put a link below to all the ones that I've tested. There are better ones out there. So there are ones that are 99%. And honestly, without knowing more, I personally would choose a different one. So sorry, EasyWell, you're not going to get off that easy. Not today, not with Sheriff Lloyd on the case. This is the last mask test of the day, so you're gonna have to forgive me. My zingers are not zinging. All right, we will catch you on the next test. And you know what? Last test of the day request. Just the only time I'm asking today. Seriously, the only time. I know you think I'm gonna be one of those YouTubers like, give me a like and subscribe, but you know, if you've watched my videos, I don't care about that. He cares about that. Send me some of your masks. If you have some masks we haven't tested, especially some foreign masks that I don't have access to because I'm limited to like my local Amazon, like send me those masks. I'm gonna put my address down there and I would love to test the masks that you send me. Thank you very much. And I will catch you on the next test. Maybe it's yours.